Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm gonna be painting a rose inspired flower. It's not exactly a rose, but then it belongs to the category of roses. That's how I can phrase it as. So the idea is pretty simple. I always follow a 3-step process for all of my floral paintings. First step being the circles, second step preparing your brush, and the third step is to finally paint. We begin with the first step, which is painting the circles. The number of circles is equal to the number of roses or the flowers that you want on your canvas. The color of your circles would be determined by the choice of the flower color that you have in your head. It's always better to go for a darker color for the circles, since that serves as the base for your flowers. If the color of your flower is pink, then go for some darker shade of pink for the circles. I'm sure you all have seen how a real flower looks like, and if you notice, the center of the flower will always be darker compared to the outer parts. So the idea of going with a darker color for the circles is to incorporate that realism of a realistic flower into the painting itself. Moving on to the second step, which is preparing the brush. This step is really important as it determines how precise and detailed your flower is. So the better your brush is prepared, the better results you get. I'm using rectangular shaped flat brush that have divided equally, with one side being white and the other side being red. Now moving on to the last step, which is painting your petals. One thing that I would really like to mention is to always be sure about the direction of your brush movement. If you plan on moving your brush from left to right, then make sure that the left side of your brush is always covered in white and the right hand side is covered in whichever color you chose. And if you plan on moving from right to left, then the other way around. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next process. Bye.